Welcome back to Toolify AI, the channel where we explore the most mind-bending innovations shaping our everyday lives. Today, we're diving into something that sounds like a side quest straight out of a sci-fi movie, a DJI robot vacuum. Yes, the same DJI that gave us world-class drones and cinematic gimbals has now built a cleaning robot that thinks like a drone, and it's called the DJI Romo Series. And trust me, this thing doesn't just clean your floor. It redefines what a robot vacuum can be. Let's break it down. Every model, every feature, every sensor, every bit of tech that makes this one of the smartest home robots ever created. When you first see the DJI Romo, it feels like something from the future. Unlike the usual black disc robots we've all seen 100 times, Romo comes in 3 versions: Romo S, Romo A, and Romo P, each one with a distinct look and level of intelligence. The Romo S is the base model. Sleek, minimal, clean white. It's designed for people who just want a solid, powerful cleaning companion that gets the job done fast. Then comes the Romo A, the semi-transparent model, a little more advanced and a lot cooler to look at. Through its see-through top, you can actually watch the motors, sensors, and processing units at work. It's like having a piece of futuristic art sliding across your living room. And then, there's the king of them all, Romo P. The fully transparent, flagship version that looks straight out of a sci-fi lab. Every wire, circuit, and LiDAR sensor is visible, glowing softly with DJI's signature white-blue light. It's not just a cleaning robot, it's an engineering showcase. But looks aren't the only story here. What truly makes Romo different is what's under the hood. DJI brought over its drone perception technology, the same kind that helps drones avoid trees, power lines, and buildings, and repurposed it for the floor. The result? A robot vacuum that navigates your home with millimeter-level precision. It uses a combination of LiDAR, stereo fisheye cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and 3D structured light mapping to detect even the tiniest obstacles. Cables? Socks? Pet toys? Romo doesn't just see them. It understands them, plots a route around them, and keeps going without getting tangled or stuck. DJI calls this system OmniSense 4D vision, and it's the first time we've seen drone-grade obstacle avoidance on a home cleaning robot. It even detects clear glass legs of tables or thin chair supports that most vacuums would just bump into. And when it's time to clean, Romo doesn't mess around. It packs a massive 25,000 Pascal suction power, powered by a high-efficiency digital motor. That's stronger than most handheld vacuums and several times more powerful than older robot cleaners. Paired with DJI's dual roller brush system, it adapts automatically between hardwood, tiles, and carpets, adjusting suction intensity in real time. And yes, it also mops. Underneath are dual rotating mop pads that spin at high speed while applying steady downward pressure. Combined with precise water control, about 164 milliliters per refill, it gives your floor a glossy finish rather than that half-wet streak most robots leave behind. For deep cleaning sessions, the Romo P's self-cleaning base station takes over. It empties the dust bin, washes the mop pads with clean water, scrubs them against a built-in brush, dries them with warm air, and even refills the tank. You literally don't have to touch dirt for weeks. Battery life? Here's where Romo shows real endurance. Inside, there's a 7,200 mAh lithium battery, giving up to 210 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough to clean a 200 square meter apartment in one go. When it's low on power, it automatically returns to base, recharges, and resumes right where it left off. No restarts, no skipped spots. And because it's DJI, connectivity is seamless. You can control it via the DJI Romo app, available on iOS and Android. From the app, you can view real-time maps, set virtual walls, label rooms, schedule cleanings, or even command voice control through Alexa or Google Home. The 3D mapping feature is stunning. It builds a full 3D model of your home, which you can rotate, zoom, and customize down to every corner. Privacy also gets special attention. Unlike many vacuums that send everything to cloud servers, DJI gives you the option to store maps and data locally. That means your floor plan, camera feeds, and cleaning history stay right inside your home. Now let's talk pricing. The Romo S starts around €649, roughly 650,000 Nigerian nairas, or $699. Already a high-end competitor. The Romo A steps up with more sensors, stronger processing, and that semi-transparent body, landing around €799. about 800,000 Nigerian nairas. And the flagship Romo P, with the full self-maintenance dock and transparent casing, is priced near €999, roughly 1 million Nigerian nairas, or $1,099. It's expensive, yes, but remember, this is the first home vacuum ever built with drone-class navigation and perception. You're not just paying for a cleaning tool. You're paying for years of DJI's autonomous technology packed into a single robot. Now let's go deeper. What really sets the Romo apart from competitors like Robotic, Ecovacs, or iRobot isn't just the specs, it's how it thinks. Most robot vacuums simply trace a random path or use basic mapping. Romo uses real-time SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, with AI that learns your home layout after just one run. Over time, it remembers where clutter appears, which corners gather dust, and when people are usually home. It cleans smarter, not harder. The machine learning algorithms inside Romo P are capable of classifying over 100 types of household obstacles, from cables and slippers to pet waste. Yes, it can recognize that and avoid disaster. And since the camera system runs at 60 frames per second, the vacuum reacts to new obstacles in milliseconds. This isn't a cleaning robot anymore. It's practically an indoor autonomous vehicle. The dock station itself deserves its own spotlight. DJI engineered it like a mini charging hub, same attention to detail as their drone bases. It features automatic dust collection with a multi-layer HEPA system, dual-tank water management for clean and dirty separation, and even a detachable maintenance tray for easy rinsing. When the robot docks, the base uses a combination of suction and rotation to fully clean the mop pads, dry them with hot air, and prep it for the next cycle. So your home smells fresh, not damp. Even the software is elegant. DJI's app syncs cleaning logs, sends maintenance reminders, and lets you name rooms individually: living room, kitchen, studio, even pet zone. You can create schedules like clean kitchen at 8 a.m., living room at 3 p.m., and skip bedroom if lights are off. And yes, it works quietly. In standard mode, Romo runs around 55 decibels, quieter than normal conversation. In night mode, it lowers suction and dims its LEDs to avoid waking you up. Let's talk design again, because DJI clearly wanted this to look iconic. The transparent Romo P is like a living sculpture. You can literally watch gears spin and sensors pulse with light as it moves. The LED halo around the top glows in different colors to indicate cleaning status, charging, or dock connection. It's the kind of product that makes guests ask, "What is that thing?" and then stare in disbelief when it starts vacuuming on its own. Build quality is, as expected, premium. Thick tempered shell, aluminum accent trim, and high durability rubber wheels that can climb obstacles up to 2 centimeters high, meaning it can roll over most thresholds and carpets easily. Battery lifespan over time is also impressive. DJI rates it for over 1,000 full charge cycles, meaning you can expect years of daily use before significant wear. The base unit's filters are washable, the mop pads replaceable, and the dust bag can last for a whole month depending on usage. So who is this really for? If you just want a cheap floor cleaner, this isn't it. But if you're a tech enthusiast, a filmmaker, a creator, or someone who loves intelligent design, this is the kind of gadget that fits perfectly into a modern setup. Imagine a workspace with smart lighting, voice control, your DJI gear on shelves, and this sleek transparent bot gliding quietly under your desk, keeping things spotless. For professionals with limited time, Romo actually saves hours every week. You can focus on editing, flying drones, building projects, while it quietly handles the mess. And because it's DJI, firmware updates are promised to improve AI behavior, route efficiency, and compatibility with other smart ecosystems. Let's not forget the little details. Romo has child lock, pet mode, and anti-fall detection so it won't tumble downstairs. It can automatically raise its mop when it detects carpet. It supports multi-floor mapping, so you can carry it upstairs and it'll instantly know where it is. The voice pack is customizable. You can even change languages or notification tones. And when it finishes cleaning, it returns to the dock, flashes its ring light, and softly announces, "Cleaning completed." It's oddly satisfying. So at the end of the day, what DJI created here isn't just another gadget. It's a statement, a message that drone-level intelligence can exist inside your living room, quietly doing something as mundane as cleaning, but doing it better than anyone else. From aerial cinematography to autonomous floor cleaning, DJI just proved that innovation doesn't stop at the sky. It can also start at the ground. The DJI Romo Series, smart, sleek, transparent, powerful, and possibly the coolest home robot you'll see this decade. Pricing and positioning. DJI Romo. The launch pricing in China starts around $650 for the Romo S, with higher tiers Romo A and Romo P going upward $1,030 for the top model. Ecovacs D-Bot X9 Pro Omni, listed at approximate $1,299 in the US market for the full dock bundle. Robotic S8 Pro Ultra, premium model pricing, depending on region, among top tiers of robotic vacuums. Dream X50 Ultra Complete, also high-tier pricing, for example in South Africa listed at $2,000 regionally, though deals vary. Takeaway, DJI Romo enters the high-end space but appears slightly more accessible for base model compared to the ultra-premium bundles of competitors. Key similarities. Across all four systems you'll find certain shared capabilities. Auto-emptying or semi-auto emptying base station, dust bin clears itself. Mop plus vacuum combo, wet and dry cleaning. Smart navigation and mapping, multi-floor, zones, no-go areas. Advanced sensors for obstacle avoidance. Integration with smartphone apps and smart home assistants, Alexa/Google. So if you pick any of these, you're getting top-tier automation, rather than entry-level robot vacuums. Final summary and recommendation. To sum up, all four are excellent robot vacuums in the high-end segment. DJI Romo stands out for suction and drone-derived sensors. It's the most tech-rich, new entry. Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni leads in hands-free automation and consistently excellent mop performance. Robotic S8 Pro Ultra offers premium features with somewhat less extreme pricing/footprint. Dream X50 Ultra Complete pushes boundaries, but with a mix of praise and early user caution. My recommendation for you: if I were you, I would lean DJI Romo P if budget allows, because your background, drone pilot, tech-minded, matches the drone tech meets home cleaning story. If dock size/budget is a concern, maybe the Romo S or A, or go with Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni. If you enjoyed this breakdown, drop a like, share it with someone who needs a futuristic cleaning buddy, and let me know in the comments. Would you trust a DJI robot vacuum in your home? Or are you waiting for the Romo Pro that might actually fly? Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring the future with Toolify AI.